Hello and welcome to the XRP Zone, and today we're here with yet another fantastic topic that flips here and there around XRP, and trust me that this news is extremely important for all those who have invested in XRP. Make sure you don't want to miss this video, and you want to watch it until the end because Goldman Sachs and the experts have said something incredible about XRP. Alright, let's get started. It's been dubbed the crypto of banks by some. The fact that Ripple has partnered with companies like Santander, Europe's largest bank, and the Bank of America helps to explain the nickname. In recent days, it appears that Goldman Sachs, a well-known bank, has expressed an interest in collaborating with Ripple. Is it possible that this will have an influence on XRP? Is this the case? And if so, to what extent? We'll do our best to respond to these inquiries. Goldman Sachs wants to patent a new payment solution. According to Bitcoin Dynamics, on July 1st, the American bank filed a patent in which it was a question highlighting how the blockchain technology could be used for transactions. This patent deals, among other things, with payment flows between customers using different currencies. It was from this patent that the most insistent rumors of a merger between Goldman Sachs and Ripple were born. Indeed, the mechanisms presented are reminiscent of ODL developed by RippleNet, a point fully assumed by the American bank. Ripple also appears several times in the document provided for validation of the patent, a merger that could also be facilitated by the arrival of the former CEO of Goldman Sachs at Ripple last year. Aditya Tarukias, formerly at Goldman, could therefore be a facilitator of relations between the new structure he heads, Ripple, and the American bank. XRP consolidates 6th place in cryptos. While Solana has seized the 6th place of the most important crypto projects, XRP has reclaimed this place in recent days. Yesterday's results even allowed the XRP project to consolidate its lead, a lead that the Solana project has mostly lost this week, as evidenced by the correction of more than 20% of its price over the last 7 days. Now, with $51 billion in capitalization, Ripple is ahead of Solana by nearly 10%, that's $46 billion. The following chart shows the price of the XRP crypto over the last month, a graph that is still marked by the sudden drop on September 7th after more than a week of increase. What to expect from a partnership between Ripple and Goldman Sachs? For now, rumors of a partnership between Ripple and Goldman Sachs do not seem to have shaken the markets. If, on the day of yesterday, Ripple saw its price climb by nearly 2%, it remains difficult to grant all of this increase to this announcement. On the side of the American bank, the action climbed on the day yesterday before correcting on the day's session. In the longer term, the partnership with the two entities could have beneficial effects for both groups. Anyway, to see the price of Ripple start to rise again, it's above all expected a positive outcome in the legal fight against the SEC. Such an announcement could then have the effect of a real explosion in the price of XRP crypto. According to another source of information from Greatcoin News, Goldman Sachs expert Andrew Loknoth believes that the Ripple XRP is likely to take precedence as the public coin as soon as the Ripple Foundation is able to resolve its issues with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Loknoth has been dealing with cryptocurrency in his years, holding different positions at Goldman Sachs, AIG Bank, and other important financial institutions. The expert expressed his opinion about Ripple's XRP coin rather openly. Ripple will redefine online payments, and I believe that Ripple XRP will likely IPO and go public once its SEC lawsuit is resolved, Andrew Loknoth said. Loknoth furthers that the main benefits of using the Ripple protocol are speed and reduced risk. Ripple XRP is a replacement for SWIFT, which is expensive and slow. He explains that SWIFT is a 50-year-old interbank settlement system that controls the flow of money across borders. Fiat currency takes about 3 to 5 days for delivery from one country to another via SWIFT and requires high transfer fees. Ripple's XRP needs around 5 seconds to transfer values from one country to another. Ripple XRP and the future. Speaking to Cryptopolitan.com, he furthers that Ripple uses the Ripple protocol and can provide a much faster and cheaper infrastructure for interbank payments. It will allow financial institutions and corporations a fast and efficient mechanism to move money around the globe. RippleNet's platform uses blockchain technology to send money across borders for banks and other financial institutions. Think blockchain meets SWIFT. Ripple is also backed by the Japanese financial services giant SBI Holdings, Spanish bank Santander, and top venture capital firms, including Andreessen Horowitz, Lightspeed, and Peter Thiel's Founders Fund, Andrew Loknoth said. The expert is thinking far ahead in the future in a scenario where the SWIFT banking protocol is finally going to meet a match in terms of blockchains, and Ripple in this scenario is enjoying a unique position as it's placed between the cryptocurrency world and the fiat world as a bridge that is primarily focused on using the network's power to generate as many transactions as possible. The unique selling point Ripple XRP adopted here was cross-border payments in countries where it takes days for a single payment of merely $2,000 to be delivered to the owner of the money. For some time, Ripple XRP has enjoyed this unique selling point, and Lokanath believes that the future of banking is headed in the same direction as Ripple has set its brand standards and preparation for the new era of the banking and financial institution world. This unique selling point has enabled Ripple's XRP coin to sit in the front line of the cryptocurrency world, since the brand aims to be a method of monetary transactions within the financial world rather than serving as a cryptocurrency for the world to trade and play around with. Yet, the XRP coin has its own users, despite being sold for as much as $1 at the time of writing. Lokanath is adamant that the foundation will provide redefining moments to the financial world and the public initial public offering (IPO) as soon as the foundation has managed to resolve the SEC lawsuit issues. These sources are also taken from a renowned page, Cryptopolitan, so you know these are legit. Not even this. The employee of Goldman Sachs has high hopes in XRP, as CryptoNews.com says. Will Mead, a former employee of financial giant Goldman Sachs, recently made his first investment in the crypto market. Mead is the founder of a $1.4 billion hedge fund and revealed that he bought the digital asset XRP pending a new rally in the market. Mead confessed to being inexperienced in cryptocurrencies, but he is confident that Bitcoin will reach again his all-time high of around $20,000. The rest of the cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP will also return to their all-time highs. For XRP, according to Mead, this will represent a rally of 1,500%. I made my first crypto purchase ever this week, XRP Ripple. I know very little about crypto, but I believe a rising tide lifts all boats. So if Bitcoin goes back to its all-time highs, then XRP should as well. And that would be a 15-bagger, 1,500%. In the crypto community, some users celebrated the influx of fresh capital into the market. However, other users, such as the developer, Riccardo Spagni, known as Fluffy Pony, were less optimistic. Spagni comforted Mead on his loss and said he would be better off buying penny stocks. Will XRP go higher than Bitcoin and Ethereum? As reported by CNF, XRP has been one of the worst performing assets in the last year, with losses of 56%. Recently, an XRP whale published a report stating that the price of the digital asset has remained stagnant due to Jed McCaleb's sales. The co-founder of Ripple owns a large amount of XRP that he sells periodically. However, one of XRP's biggest critics, Peter Brand, apparently made a bullish prediction for the cryptocurrency. In a tweet, the legendary trader predicted a Bitcoin and Ethereum rally with a 0.03276 target for the first cryptocurrency. In his prediction, a user asked ironically what the fate of XRP would be. The analyst simply answered, higher. How high XRP is predicted to go in terms of all these sources? Well, way too high, but that's upon time to decide, because as we all know that cryptocurrencies and the world that it exists in is extremely volatile and unpredictable in terms of profits and losses. It can either make you an overnight millionaire or bring you down to the ground in no time. So make sure that you do your research before investing in anything, and the purpose of this video is only educational. This is not some sort of advice. It's only a way to enlighten you about the recent events. Thanks for watching this video, and that was all from our side. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. See you guys soon.